Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making vegan tofu steak. I have received so many requests from you how to make Japanese vegan food. In Japan, we have traditional vegan cuisine called Shojin Ryori based on the dining style of Buddhist monk. And speaking of the vegan, we can't forget the founder of the Macrobiotics is Japanese. Almost all of the Japanese eat a variety of food on a daily basis, but we eat vegan meal on a special occasion like memorial service or just for a change. Tofu steak is one of the easy to make vegan food with plenty of flavors and nutritions. Here is my local grocery store. There are several kinds of mushroom all the time, but the autumn is the season of mushroom. I picked 4 of the most popular mushrooms. And we have so many varieties of tofu in the tofu section. And let's choose the biggest from tofu today, because it's our main course today. Let's get started. Take out your tofu from the package and cut into 8 or 10 or easy to handle in size. Wrap in a kitchen paper to remove excess water. You don't have to put the weight on it, just remove the water outside. Take off the stem from the shiitake mushroom. Give it a quick rinse and slice into thin slices. They say you don't have to rinse any mushroom, but I do only for shiitake if I see or touch any dust or unwanted things on it. Keep the stem for the other use. Cut off the firm stem, the Maitake mushroom. Tear into bite size, but not too small. Maitake is the most powerful mushroom to boost your immune system. Cut off the stem, the Enoki mushroom. Cut into 2 in length. Tear the lower part into bite size. Enoki is an excellent source of dietary fiber. Do the same to Shimeji mushroom. Shimeji is the most tasty mushroom in Japan. Set aside until used. The mushroom produces the synergetic effect. The more mushrooms you use, the more complex the flavor your sauce will be. But it's totally fine if you use a single kind. In that case, I recommend to pick Shimeji mushroom. Slice your scallion diagonally. Mince your garlic and ginger. For sauce, we use vegan kombu dashi. Kombu dashi takes time in the normal procedure, but you can prepare quickly in this method. If you are not vegan and if you don't mind to use bonito flakes, go ahead and use it. Now let's cook the tofu. Dust your tofu with flour. You don't have to cover all over the surface, but the top and the bottom. Heat your frying pan on medium-high heat. Add in tablespoon of neutral flavor vegetable oil and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Pan fry tofu for about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Flip it over and cook further 3 to 4 minutes. When the both sides of the tofu become golden brown, drop a few drops of soy sauce to make it even more delicious. Take out onto a serving dish. Set aside until the sauce is ready. Heat your frying pan on medium. Add in a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add in minced garlic and ginger. Cook until fragrant. Turn the heat to high. Add in the mushrooms. Cook until cooked down in half to reduce the umami from the mushroom. Add in kombu dashi, soy sauce and mirin. Bring it to a boil and thicken the sauce with the potato starch water. And it's done. Let's assemble. Ladle the sauce over the tofu. Sprinkle the scallion. There you have the tofu steak with mushroom sauce. The sauce is not too salty, but a little bit saltier than the soup. It is good to eat with the tofu, which almost has no flavor. Garlic and ginger give a sauce a nice kick, and the umami from the mushrooms are so flavorful. Serve with brown rice and salted Kombu Kelp. You feel so right even if you eat a big batch, but still satisfying. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment and a future video request in the description box below. Follow me on my social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. All the link is in the description box below. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!